everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. I appreciate you watching all my videos and subscribing. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today for you, I have another Gadget Discovery Club unboxing. Let's see what's in here. Alright, it's a Rise product. Check it out. Rise 1 Universal Travel Adapter. Okay. So it says it has a US plug, UK plug, AUS plug, and an EU plug. I haven't done a lot of traveling lately, but a few years ago I did get to travel to Europe, and it was a lot of fun. Since the pandemic, I haven't got to do any travel, but I'd like to go back for sure. So this like motivates me to like one day that I do get to travel again. I like this. All right, let's open up and look at it. Oh, open it. Alright, so this comes in handy for people who like to travel for sure. So I'm in the US. So let's try that one out. Got a button here. Yeah, that's the standard plug that I'm using. I know a lot of my viewers are from around the world, so that would be different for you. Alright, so this is the EU plug, the AUS plug, and the UK plug. Cool. And then you put whatever plug you use in this side. Right. So that's neat. Oh, USB charging. That comes in handy for sure. So that's neat. I'll definitely keep this, and gives me hope that one day I can travel again. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bells and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much.